baby girl ran to the hill so high. A little goat skipped right by. She laughed and clapped, come catch me. The goat jumped up, wild and free. Round and round the tree they go. Goat runs fast but not too slow. Baby girl twirls arms open wide. The goat prances by her side. Step by step it walks so light. Through the meadow soft and bright. Butterflies dance, the breeze is cool. Goat taps the pond, splash waterfall. Baby girl hops and goat jumps to dancing on the sky so blue. Up they go then spin around. Feet go tapping on the ground. Baby girl hides, where did I go? The goat looks left and right, oh no. With a funny leap, it finds her quick. She hugs its neck soft and thick. Time to rest, the sun sinks slow. The sky turns pink with a golden glow. Side by side they sit so tight, dreaming under stars so bright. Step by step they walk so light. Through the meadow soft and bright. Butterflies dance, the breeze is cool. Goat taps the pond, splash waterfall. Baby girl hops and goat jumps to dancing on the sky so blue. Up they go then spin around. Feet go tapping on the ground. Baby girl hops and goat jumps to dancing on the sky so blue. Up they go then spin around. Feet go tapping on the ground. Baby girl hops, where did I go? The goat looks left and right, oh no. With a funny leap, it finds her quick.